Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahra Choirunisa. I'm from class 6 and I will how to make a piggy bank. Happy watching!
Prepare a cardboard, scar keys, wrapping paper, pen, and glue.
Prepare a cardboard and scar keys.
And the next, cardboard, saucer, earthing to the specific size.
And the next, make a hole at the top of the piggy bank. Then plaster the part of the cardboard that was cut earlier. And the last, then cover the outside of the piggy bank with wrapping paper.
Finish it, you can use to collect money.
Hello, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if there are any mistake. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.